Okay, hey, some of you got banged up pretty bad in that hailstorm. Your vehicles look like golf balls. They got dents everywhere. It's a mess, right? What are your next steps? What can you do? Does it affect your premiums? What's your car going to look like? Will it ever recover again? These are things we can help you out with. So first thing you can do is book a free no contact inspection with us here at the shop, or we can actually come to you as well too. It's 5 to 10 minutes. We do a visual assessment of the car. We walk it. We look for things that can delay the repair, add extra time, things like that. After that, we can give you an idea of the approximate damage on the car, whether or not it's worth filing a claim. Okay, what are the steps in the claim process? If you have things like cracked glass on your windshield, how does that get you ahead of the line of other customers that are trying to get estimates from their insurance company? Okay, what does that what initial insurance estimate mean? There's a lot of questions we can help guide you through from start to finish and really take that burden off your hands and repair your vehicle like new. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 720-940-0060. Send us a message on the website. Either way, we'd love to help you out, answer any questions you might have. And once again, it's free, it's no contact, it's very easy and convenient. So sorry you got dinged, but hey, we're happy to help.